Dear learners, today I am going to discuss importance of public health laws. For this, you have to understand what is health, what is public health, and what is public health laws. So these are the content of my discussion. I will introduce the topic. I will discuss definition of health, public health. I will discuss definition of public health laws, objective of public health laws, characteristic of public health laws, effectiveness of public health laws, laws related to public health. So these are the content of my topic. Dear learner, as we all know, good health is way of life, and India's one of the oldest scripture of rich thought, knowledge, wisdom, Rig Ved preaches humanity. Om Sarve Bhavantu Sukhina, Sarve Santu Nirmaya, Sarve Bhadrani Pashyantu, Ma Kadeshit Khambhavet. Om Shanti Shanti. It means Om. May all be happy. May all be free from illness. May all see what is auspicious. May no one suffer. Om, peace, peace. This is the meaning of this slogan. So we can say that health is wealth, and healthy body is the very foundation of all human activities. This has been believed and practiced in India since ages. The Ayurveda and the Unani system has been well practiced in our country since ages. The concept of medical sciences and research were propounded and developed by various saints, Muni, Hakim and Vaidya. If our health is not good, if we have a not good health, we are unable to enjoy our rights that is enumerated in the Constitution of India. They become meaningless and they become useless. So we can say that Vaidya and Hakim were considered to next to God on account of their determined and noble work. Now I am going to discuss what is the definition of health. The World Health Organization (WHO) defined health of an individual as state of complete physical, mental and social well-being, and not merely the absence of disease or infirmity. This is the definition of health given by World Health Organization. However, WHO does not define the term public health. So dear learner, you have to know what is the definition of public health, because our topic is what is the importance of public health. So this is the definition of public health that is visible in this slide. Public health is defined as science of protecting and safety and improving the health of communities through education, policy making and research for disease and injury prevention. The definition of public health is different for every person. Whether you like to crunch numbers, conduct laboratory or field research, formulate policy or work directly with people to help improve their health. There is a place for you in the field of public health. Being a public health professional enables you to work around the world, address health problems of communities as a whole, and influence policy that affect health of sciences. The area of the public health is very vast, and public health involves the application of many disciplines like biology, anthropology, public policy, mathematics, engineering, education, psychology, computer science, sociology, medicine, and so on. And right now we are discussing the importance of public health laws. So laws is very important related to public health. If we elaborately discuss public health, the art and science of preventing disease, prolonging life and promoting physical and mental health, sanitation, personal hygiene, control of infectious disease and organization of health services. From the normal human interaction involves in dealing with many problems of social life. There has emerged a recognition of the importance of community action in the promotion of health and the prevention and the treatment of disease. And this is expressed in the concept of public health. If we talk about the public health in India, public health is the subject matter of a state list under the Schedule 7 of the Indian Constitution. It is a subject matter of the local importance like sanitation, hygiene, or the burial or the dispensary. These are the subject matter of the state list. So it is a responsibility of the state. Dear learners, now you have to understand what is public health laws, because our topic is importance of public health laws. I think it is clear to all of you what is health, what is public health. Now I am going to discuss what is the definition of public health laws. According to Gustin, public health laws are such legal forces and duties of organized society by which conditions for maintaining citizens' health are ensured. Because if you understand the meaning of law, law is an instrument which regulates human behavior in the society. For the protection and the promotion of the health, laws are required. That's why there is the importance of the public health law. Public health law means a statute or rule or local ordinance that has the purpose of promoting and protecting the public health. That is the simple meaning we can understand the public health laws. Now the question arises, what is the importance of public health laws? A proper health system is required for improvement and protection of public health. Public health laws are absolutely essential for proper effectiveness and the regulation of the health system. The scope of public health is not limited to one area, but it is very broad. It is very extensive. This is very broad area that related to the public health laws, and there is no one comprehensive legislation to deal with the public health laws. There are number of legislation are a part of the public health laws. In every aspect of the community health, public health, laws are important. As I already told, law is an instrument which regulates human behavior in the society. It has a binding force. That's why people follow the law. To promote and to protect the or to improve the public health, laws are required. That is the importance of public health. If we talk about what are the characteristics of the public health laws, public health activities are the primary function and primary responsibility of the government. And I already told public health is the subject matter of the state list in the Indian Constitution, and public health focus on the health of the community. It deals with the provision of the health services, and public health possesses the power to coerce the individual for the protection of the community. So these are the characteristics of the public health laws. Now the question arises, what are the objectives of public health laws? To protect and promote public health, control the risk to the public health, promote the control of the infectious disease, prevent the spread of the infectious disease. Prevention is better than cure. We know very well. So, and recognize the role of the local government in protecting public health. These are the objectives of the public health laws. Now moving to the next slide. What are the example laws related to public health? Their list is too big. We cannot confine the public health laws in a one limit because the area is very extensive, the scope is very broad, and I am just giving some example of the public health laws. The Drugs and Cosmetic Act 1945, the Prenatal Diagnostic Technique Act 1994, Medical Termination of Pregnancy Act 1971, Maternity Benefit Act 1961, Consumer Protection Act 2019, Food Safety and Standard Act 2006, as I told, the environment issue, Environment Protection Act 1986, Air Act, Water Act, matter related to the surrogacy, and there are so many laws. The list is too big that is related with the public health, laws related to the public health. So we can understand right now what is the importance, because I have already told health is wealth and the healthy body is the very foundation of all human activities, and law play a very important role to promote and protect the public health. We will continue this topic with these words. Thank you.